Okay, very good. So you understand the video, Suchit? Okay, so this type question will ask in your DELF first exam. Okay, so now today we learn two parts, demonstrative adjective and also the possessive adjective. So I will explain first the demonstrative adjective. Now, demonstrative adjective, first one. In the demonstrative adjective, we have using for this part for this, that, these, and those. Definition, demonstrative adjective point to a specific noun they are using, like this boy, that girl, these book, this type. And for the masculine part, Suchit, we use CE. For feminine singular, we use CETTE. For before the vowel and H, we are using CET. Plural things we are using here CES. For examples, CE, masculine singular, ce garçon. Ce garçon means this boy. This boy make food. Ce garçon fait la nourriture. So we can make this part also a starting subject also. Ce, this boy, this girl, this man, this woman, like this time. Okay. So CE we are using for the masculine part. First part, Suchit, any doubt in the first one from the CE? Then I move to next one. Next one is there CET. CET is using for the masculine singular or before a silent H. Like I give examples. CET. CET we using for like this, that structure for the vowel structure. Like army. Army mean friend, but this is starting from the vowel. And for starting from the vowel, so we use here CET. Some exceptional cases, other things, but from here we are using CET. Sir, say army or set army, you can say also. Now, next one. Sa hotel. Sa hotel. This hotel. So starting with the vowel, so I will use here CET. Because in French, we have a total 7 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and also the 2 H and Y, semi-vowels in French. So I use here CET. Next one is there CETTE. This is used for the feminine structure. First one is there cette fille. This girl. So for this girl, we are using here cette. Next one is there this house, cette maison. We are using here maison means house. Okay. Now, next one CES. CES we using for the plural structure. Say garçon, these boys. Say fille, these girls. Okay. Now, if you are if you are asking for the is, we are saying A. This one. Next. So say if you find the last one is S or X, so you use here CES. Say we are calling this. Next ones, we have more examples. Next one is there. Ce stylo est bleu. Ce stylo est bleu means this pen is blue. So see here in the subject pronoun, we are using the demonstrative adjective, and you can also use this part in the object also and in the subject also. Okay. Next one. Cette voiture est rouge. This car is red. Cet élève est intelligent. This student is intelligent. Ces livres sont intéressants. These books are interesting. Now, so these are some examples, so we understand this part of the demonstrative adjective. So Chit, any doubt you have right now in the part of demonstrative adjective? Then I move to the next one. Then I give some question to you. Then you do properly. Next one. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is using for my, his, her, your, or their. They talk about the ownership. My school, your school, his school, her school, our school, their school, this type. And we have a French form also in this part like this. This is very important structure for the demonstrative adjective. Oh, sorry, possessive adjective. Owner. My we are using for the three different part. Mo, ma, me. Your for the singular one and also the informal. We are using to, ta, te. Next, his and her. So is using for his, sa is using for her, and say is using for both cases. Okay, for plural structure, his and her. R is using for not for masculine feminine, no for plural, your plural form or formal, votre, then vo, plural, their, leur. Only difference in the part of this, all three of the plural structure are there, like not, then no, votre, then vo, leur, then leur. This way. Here is the structure of NOS, here is VOS, there is LEURS. Okay? Now, so important rule. Very important. If feminine nouns start with the vowel or use masculine form, listen, if the feminine nouns start with a vowel, okay, so you use here masculine form. This is the rule in the possessive pronoun, possessive adjective. Okay, now, so mo ami, not ma ami use here, mo ami. Next one, to école, so ide, his idea, or her idea, you can also say. So we are using here for the starting from the vowel and feminine structure, we are using here the structure of mo, to, so, this type. Mo livre mean my book, ma maison mean my house, mes amis mean my friends, to stylo mean your pen, sa voiture mean her car. These are some examples. Same structure from possessive adjective you can use in the starting one and the last object one. Notre école, our school, leurs parents, their parents. For the comparison, this book, ce livre, or possessive, mon livre. This girl, cette fille, or ma fille mean my girl, or this girl. These books, ces livres, these books are there, and this one, my books.